In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to a Godaddy website store. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you're going to open up your web browser and head over to the Godaddy website. If you're not already familiar, Godaddy is a widely used platform not just for domain names, but also for hosting websites and managing online stores, making it a fantastic choice for your business needs. Once you're on the Godaddy homepage, you'll see a lot of options related to domain names, hosting solutions, and online marketing tools. Here, you'll want to locate and click the sign in button to access your account. If you haven't signed in yet, now's the time to do it. Make sure your login details like your username and password are handy, as you'll need these to get into your account securely. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Godaddy homepage. This is your central hub where you can navigate to all of the services and products that you're using with Godaddy. For today, our focus is on the products section. Click on the products option to proceed. Now that you've entered the products area, you'll see a comprehensive list of the websites and services you have with Godaddy. Find and select the website you'd like to add a new product to. This step is crucial because it ensures that you're working with the correct site associated with your brand or business. Next, you'll come across various tiles displaying different options for your selected site. Here, find and click on the store link. The store option is your gateway to managing your e-commerce settings and inventory. Once you're in the store section, you should see a products tab. Click on it, and this will grant you access to your current product listings. This is where you can manage everything that's available in your store. With the products page open, you now have the opportunity to add a new item. Look for the add product button and click on it. This will initiate the setup for your new product, where you can enter details like the product name, description, price, and any other relevant information you need your customers to know. If you have a bulk list of products to add, there's also an option to import products. This feature is especially useful if you're managing large inventories and want to upload them all at once using a CSV file. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new product to your Godaddy website store. Remember that keeping your product information up to date is key to maintaining a successful e-commerce business. Thanks for watching and happy selling.